Just put a mask inside your wardrobe, and you'll never have this problem again. That's right, everyone. After this tip, your wardrobe will never be the same. And this tip is actually pretty simple. We're gonna need a soap bar. Here, I'm using this brand, but feel free to use whatever you got there. Preferably pick one with the scent you like, alright? Once you've done that, let's grab a container, and with the help of a grater, let's grate the entire soap bar. Once that's done, now we're gonna need salt. Just regular kitchen salt. Let's add 2 tablespoons here. 1, 2. Then mix well until combine everything. And this is how it's gonna look like. Now you take a disposable mask like this one. And with the help of scissors, let's cut one of the edges of the mask. Alright, once you've done that, now open it up, like so. And here, let's add 2 tablespoons of our soap and salt mixture. So go ahead and add 2 tablespoons. 1 and 2. Take good spoonfuls. Once you've done that, now twist it up like this. And with the other elastic, we'll tie it up. And then it's gonna look like a little bag. Let's tie here. Now let's trim this. And look folks, here I managed to make 3 little bags. And in the last one, in addition to add soap and salt, I'm also gonna add some bay leaves. Crush the leaves like this and put them along with the soap and salt. And check this out. This is how it's gonna look like. Now let's get to the wardrobe and I'll show you how to use this. So here's the thing folks. Take the little bag and put it on a hanger. Then put it among the clothes inside the wardrobe. And here's what will happen. The salt helps to draw out and inhibit any kind of moisture. So if you have trouble with a musty wardrobe, that won't happen anymore. And also because of the soap, it will perfume not only your clothes, but the entire wardrobe. And that's great, because sometimes we store clothes for a long time, and then they have that strange smell. So the soap, besides perfuming, won't let that happen. And that's why it's important to use a soap you really like the scent. Because it's really gonna release a lot of fragrance, and as soon as you open your wardrobe, you'll smell the scent of your favorite soap. And you can also put the bags inside your clothes drawers. But in this case, make sure to add a few bay leaves, because this ingredient helps to repel moths. So in addition to getting all the other benefits, it will also keep moths away from your drawers. So that's it. This is a very simple and inexpensive tip. Try this at home, and I'm sure you'll like the results very much. Mix cloves with baby oil, and you're gonna thank me for it. It's really incredible. That's right everyone, and the tip is quite simple. First thing, we're gonna pour 7 ounces of alcohol into a container, alright? I'm using 46%, but you can use whatever you got at home. So let's add 7 ounces of alcohol here. Once you've done that, we're gonna use a plastic bottle. If you don't have one, feel free to use any other container. Just make sure to pick one with a lid, alright? So let's go ahead and transfer all this alcohol into the bottle. Put it here. Next, we're gonna need cloves. Let's add here about 1 tablespoon. Go ahead and put it all in. Alright, once that's done, we're gonna leave it closed for 4 days. However, at least twice a day, every day, you give it a shake. Alright folks, so make sure to follow this process for 4 days. But here I already have one ready to show you guys. It's gonna look like this. The alcohol has already absorbed all the properties of the cloves, and that's exactly what we're gonna need. So now let's take a container and strain this liquid with the help of a sieve. Because now we no longer need the cloves, only the liquid. And now to finish, we're gonna need some baby oil. Go ahead and add 3 tablespoons here. Then just mix everything very well. And now our mixture is ready. And now let's take a spray bottle like this one to make it easier to apply. So let's go ahead and transfer all the mixture here. And now just close it. And what have we just made, folks? This is an excellent homemade insect repellent. That's right, a total natural homemade repellent. And if you didn't know, cloves has some components that help repel all kinds of insects, especially flies and mosquitoes. And with the alcohol, we managed to extract all these components, and the baby oil will help it adhere to the skin. To use, just apply it to your body and spread it like this. With this repellent, folks, no mosquito or any insect will get near you because this is very powerful. And the best part is that you no longer need to use store-bought repellents as they contain many chemicals. In fact, they can even be harmful to our health, the health of our pets, and also our plants. And now you can make this completely natural one, and the result will be much better. So that's it everyone, try this at home, and I'm sure you'll like the results very much.